Hello prep1, how are you today? Our lesson is Applications on Solving Equations. Please open your booklet, page 24 and follow the video. Our target is to transform each sentence or each exercise here into an algebraic expression or into an equation. So let's start. Exercise number 1. If the age of a man is X years, then his age 5 years ago is. So, the age man is X. The word ago, it means that we will do minus. So, his age will be X minus 5. Exercise number 2. If the age of a man is Y years, then his age after 7 years is. We will write the age is of the man, which is Y, and the word after it means that we will do plus 7. Okay, this is a rectangle with length equals triple its width. If the length equals x, then its width equals, so we will write that the length equals triple, it means 3 times the width. Length equals x, so the width will be x over 3. Okay. Exercise number 4. The rectangle whose width equals x and its length is twice its width. Then the perimeter equals, okay, we have width equals x. We have also length equal twice 2 times width, which is 2x. Now to calculate the perimeter equal length plus width times 2. So it will be x plus 2x times 2. X plus 2x equals 3x multiplied by 2. Finally, it will be 6x. So our perimeter will be 6x. Exercise number 5. If the middle number of 3 consecutive natural number is x, you have 3 consecutive natural number. The middle one will be x. Then the sum of those numbers in the simplest form equal. The number before x is x minus 1. The number after x is x plus 1. The sum of them, so you have to add them. Now you have x plus x plus x. The answer will be 3x. Negative 1, positive 1, we will cross them together. So finally our answer will be 3x. Exercise number 6. If x minus 1 is an integer, then the next integer directly is. So simply it will be x. How can we find this? We will add 1. This is the integer, and the next one you will add 1. Negative 1 plus 1, you will cross them together. The rest will be x. Okay. Exercise number 7. You have 2 consecutive natural odd numbers. The small one is x, then the great one is. You have 2 odd numbers. Okay. The small one is x, so the great one will be x plus 2. If x is a natural odd number, okay, then the next even. In this time we will find the next even. So it will be x plus 1. Okay, the next exercise, exercise 9. You have two natural numbers. One of them is 3 times the other. If the small one is 2x, then the great one is, you have to multiply the small one by 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6x. Two integers, one of them exceeds. The word exceeds, it means that you will do plus. Exceed the other by 4. And the small number is x minus 1. Then the great one, as we said, we will do the smallest one plus 4. So 1 negative 1 plus 4 equals 3. Yes, so the number will be x minus x plus 3. Okay. Exercise 11, page 25. You have two supplementary angles. If the measure of one of them is 2x, then the measure of the other angle is, all of we know that the supplementary angles, they are two angles, sum of them is 180. So if we have one of them by 2x, the other one will be, yes, it will be 180 minus 2x, right? Okay, exercise number 12, and this is Sammy who wanted to find 3 consecutive even numbers whose sum is 84. He wrote the equation. Then the letter k represent, simply here he asks you to find the value of letter k. So we have to solve the equation. We will write k plus 2 plus k plus k plus 4 equals 284. We will collect the like terms. We have 3k plus 6 equals 84. Now 3k equals 84 minus 6, which is 78. Finally, to find the k, we will divide 78 by 3, and this will be 26. So the value of k is 26. Is it clear? Okay. Page 25, exercise 13. In a triangle, if the measure of the interior angles are x, you have 3 angles, x, 2x, and 3x. Then x equals what? He asks you also to find the value of x. So you have to add the angles and write the sum equals 180. X plus 2x plus 3x equals, yes, 6. X equals 180. Now x equals 180 over 6, and this will be 30 degree. Then the measure of the angle x is 30 degree. Okay. Exercise number 14. We will do the same. Find the measure of each angle of each of the following triangles. So we will start by the first one, and we will add the interior angles. X plus 2x plus x plus 10 equals 180. We will collect the like terms. We have 4x plus 10 equals 180. Now 4x equal 180 minus 10, which equals 170. Finally, we can find that x equals 170 over 4, and this will be 42.5 degree. So the first angle will be 42.5 degree. The second angle is 2x will be 42.5 times 2, and this will be 85 degree. The third angle will be x plus 10, and this will be 42.5 plus 10, which equals to 52.5. Okay, now we got the three angles of the triangle. We will do the same for the other figure. Okay, we have a plus 5a plus 90 equals 180. Now we will collect the like terms, so we have 6a plus 90 equals 180. 6a will be equal 180 minus 90, which equals 90 degree. Now a equals 90 over 6, and this will be 15 degree. This is the first angle. What about the other angle? It will be 5 times a equal 5 times 15, and this will be, yes, it's 75. Okay, please do your homework. Your homework will be booklet page, yes, your booklet page 26. Page 26. Do your homework and study hard, please. Thanks for your listening, and see you soon, inshallah.